Hi,
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing well, and you?
Yeah, I'm very good, thank you. My name is
Yeah,
Catherine and I'm from England. What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm Keshav. I'm from India.
Oh, nice to meet you, Kaisal. And what
Nice
part of
to
India
meet you.
are you from?
And north side, north.
Okay. And
Yeah,
why are you learning English?
I'm learning to speak English. Like business. For my purpose is business. I wanna start my business. Then I feel conversation with foreigner, with high quality peoples. With English conversation, and especially I wanna speak in English with accent is speak English.
Oh, okay.
So I think this is my passions. That's why. So I will start my business, new business, and
Mm-hmm.
farm for improve English.
Hi.
I think
Sorry, you reconnected. Okay, so what is your business that you want to start?
recently I don't have any business, but I will start my business. Transport business.
Okay.
Transport
So transporting people or transporting goods?
people.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
good. And will
yeah.
it be for tourists or will it be for local people or what are you thinking?
All are
All.
all.
Yeah,
Not a
that's
phone.
good.
Not a. All of country can come and have my tourist. And I think whenever you will get time, you can come my tourist transport business. I will roaming you in my India. Taj Mahal, Red
Yeah.
Fort. I will roam you whenever you will come. First of all, you have to contact me. Then I think,
That would be
yeah,
amazing. That would be really
yeah,
cool. So you're very passionate about your
absolutely,
country and you want to show people your country.
yeah. So have you ever been to Agra, Taj Mahal?
No, I was in New Delhi for 3 days for a wedding, and I tried to go to the Taj Mahal on the morning of
Yeah,
my flight, but it was just too close. I only had 4 hours to get there, see it, and get to the airport, so I didn't go because it was just too close timing.
yeah, absolutely. How about you visit in Delhi, New Delhi, that time?
New Delhi, yeah. I visited Humayun's tomb.
Yeah, am I
Yeah,
absolutely?
and then I was at a wedding, so I didn't do much else except the wedding. Indian
Yeah,
weddings are very long.
yeah. So fantastic. I think welcome to my India because I am very exciting. I will go and England, UK. I will go, but whenever I will get time without because I'm a student recently because I am not getting time recently. My purpose is something business start my grow business. So I think I will earn money more than I will working there and roaming. Yeah, so it's
Yeah, that
fantastic.
would be really good. Where would you
Yeah,
like to visit in England?
England because England I have never seen, but I think I have to planning. Which location could there England? Which famous temple, which famous place is there? To tell me.
You can go to Westminster. This is our parliament. It's a very beautiful building. It's
Westminster.
really big.
Yeah,
And then there's Big Ben,
West
which is
Big
the
fan.
clock in London.
Yeah. Clock, big clock, famous clock. I think again.
Yeah,
I will come in London. That's but you can come here
I'm
by
from a
bus.
town. I'm from a town called Bournemouth. It's very nice. It's very green. It's very typically English. So if you want to see like what England's really like outside the city, that's a good place to visit.
Do you live in beside capital UK capital?